As we all know, a cardiac examination is a highly confidential test. A comfortable, quiet, and warming work environment is our top priority. This electric examination bed is made of medical-grade leather, lined with high-density spoons, and equipped with a pillow to ensure excellent comfort for the patient during their visit. The bed height can be easily adjusted through a foot pedal. This provides the flexibility required for accurate execution of cardiac examination for doctors and technicians. Not only that, this electric examination bed has a strong load capacity. It can reach till 4 kilograms. And the dynamic load is as high as 200 kilograms. It's amazing. It's incredibly powerful. So if you're interested in Sycan Black technology, please feel free to contact us.